Good evening, everyone. Back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, April the 25th, 2024. And we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, and besides, I've already solved 3 puzzles, regular puzzles, this afternoon. So, more than 7, yeah, it's too much. Anyway, the first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku, number 8426. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've already counted 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one because usually the 3 Stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 4 digits more. Should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14 or maybe 30 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, you need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. We have here 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1 and 4, okay. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Cannot continue with the 1 now. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 3 here. Need a 1, yeah. 3 missing numbers in the third row. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in the third row should be there. 1, 1. And I need a 1 there, okay. Need a 1 there, okay. Right. 2 numbers left in the third row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes. And there, 8. Need a 2, and I need a 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, and 8 and a 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. We have 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, no, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, okay. Alright. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. No, 2, 3, need a 7, 7, need a 7 here, need a 7 there, no, need a 7 here, I'm thinking, 6, 6, 6, 6, and I need a 1 here, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Well, here can be 1. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this row should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the first column and no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2. 2. Then, 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 1 and the 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next on the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Then, let me see, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be in, a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Then Then. Two numbers left in this big square. Four numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 7 in the last row. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes exactly. Wow. Exactly 11 minutes. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.